Hello and welcome to Five Man Garden Pro. There is a different gardens. Look at this. We can see a variety of different garden flowers in full bloom. Each flower is unique in shape, color and size making for a varied and spectacular display. We can see that there are several different colors present in these gardens. The combination of colors is what makes these gardens truly special and eye-catching. Starting with the flowers, we can see how they bring energy and excitement to the garden. The bright and bold color of red draws the eye and adds a pop of excitement to the space. Starting with the flowers, we can see how the use of a wooden pot can complement the beauty of the flowers. The natural texture and color of the wood create a harmonious and balanced look with the colorful blooms. Starting with the flowers, we can see how the use of a wooden pot can complement the beauty of the flowers. The natural texture and color of the wood create a harmonious and balanced look with the colorful blooms. As we look at this image, we can see a variety of different leaves, each with its own unique shape, color, and texture. These leaves play a crucial role enhancing the beauty and character of the garden. Starting with the green leaves, we can see how they provide a lush and verdant backdrop to the garden. The fresh and vibrant green color is not only eye-catching but also helps to create a calming and soothing atmosphere. As we can see, leaves play an important role in enhancing the beauty and character of the garden. By selecting a variety of different leaves, you can create a lush and visually appealing outdoor space that is full of life and color. That's it for today's. I hope enjoy learning about the importance of an gardening and how they can enhance the overall appearance of your outdoor space. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.